Okay, so the harmonic mean basically, let's like try to understand the language of what they're asking, and then we're gonna set it up. So they're asking for the harmonic mean of 1, 2, and 4. So let's just set it up in that process. Is the mean, so it's the reciprocal of the average of the reciprocals of the number. That's so weird. So first of all, let's identify what the average of the reciprocals of the numbers is. So that would be 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. So those are the reciprocals of the number. So you're summing that and dividing it by 3. So that is the average of the reciprocals of the numbers. Okay, so we map this. So now we're taking the reciprocal of that. And by the way, what I mean by reciprocal is 1 over a. So the reciprocal of a is 1 over a. So now we're going to do the reciprocal of that. I mean, just flipping the numerator and denominator, okay? So that is 3 over 1 plus this way. So they're asking for that. And what you do is you add the fraction. So how do you do the fraction adding? Well, 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2. So you do a common denominator. So 1 times 2. 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2, which is equal to 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2, which is 3 over 2. Okay, so now we're going to add 3 over 2 to 1 over 4. That's equal to 3 times 2 over 2 times 2 plus 1 over 4, which is equal to 6 over 4 plus 1 over 4 is equal to 7 over 4. So that's equal to 3 over 7 over 4. So remember, when you're dividing by a fraction, you're just flipping the number. So it's 3 times 4 over 7 practically, and that's 12 over 7. So that's this. That's the harmonic mean of 1, 2, and 4. Okay, so let's look at this example. One day, the beverage barn sold 252 cans of soda to 100 customers, and every customer bought at least 1 can of soda. What is the maximum possible median number of cans of soda bought per customer on this day?